Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Craftybase for product costing and inventory alerts step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Craftybase account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Settings tab located in the left menu. In the Settings menu, select Inventory Settings. Look for the section labeled Product Costing. Here, you will enter your standard product costs in the appropriate fields. Make sure to include any additional costs, such as shipping or materials. Once you've entered all necessary costs, save your changes. Next, move to the Inventory Alerts section within the settings. In this section, you will set your low stock alerts. Decide on the stock level at which you want to be alerted. Input that number into the corresponding field for low stock. You can also set alerts for specific products if needed. To do this, go to your product list from the dashboard. Select any product you wish to configure for alerts. Edit the product details to specify the alert threshold. Remember to save your changes after updating each product. After configuring both product costing and inventory alerts, review your settings. Once confirmed, exit the Settings menu. Your Craftybase is now configured for effective product costing and inventory monitoring. Regularly check your alerts for timely notifications on stock levels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.